sensational singer. She's got silky voice, great vocals. Cina Soul. Yes, Cina Soul. Ono ana Kidi. Nkofo akeka wo ho nsem especially after Kidi releasing the album Sugar. Or the movie the movie Sugar. We know that these two were the main characters in that movie because of how the characters were, how they played the characters, into or their various roles. Now people assumed that they are having a romantic relationship going on, and there's been a back and forth. Why they watch a one hall, more trimp now, more trimp be style be young so sad. Well, Cina Soul is out. Yes, to clear the air. Now, what she is saying is that Kidi is her coach, not her boyfriend. Or the coach, or coaching or different side. Oh, their boyfriend also have a boyfriend or be a boyfriend or buttons why a coach. You know that because the boyfriend will coach you in some aspects of your life, and the coach into the coaching, tonight. Coaching and the boyfriend, Lina, one who was our plan, I are similar. Now I are similar way. Difference behind him. Now let's get into the details. Now Ghanaian singer Queen Cina Kwekupom, who is also known as Cina Soul in showbiz, and Kidi has long been rumored to be a celebrity couple. Now, while speaking in an interview on Power FM, Cina Soul indicated that she had known Kidi back in the university, and it has been very instrumental in her music career, which has helped forge a strong friendship between them. And this is what she said: "It's not true that Kidi is my boyfriend. It's because of our connection. We went to Legon together, and before I went to the Vodafone Icon competition, I was very shy. I had not even gone on stage to sing before, and he, Kidi, was my friend. We were all singing in Legon, so he coached me for some time." Unquote. Now, according to Cina Soul, the rumors about her relationship with Kidi came up when she played a lead role with Kidi in the Sugar movie. The rumor started because of the Sugar movie. In the Sugar movie, I was the lead with him. Since that movie came out, that's when everything started. Yeah, in the movie, we were married and couple and all of that. It was just a movie, nothing else. He's my friend. We are very good friends, she concluded. Into no sister, next time I can't tell myself, well, I want to see social media, so now, it's not so, hey, Kidi, all of us, I saw this time, all day. It's not true. It's not true. So you people should stop saying it. Oh, if she's going to get a potential husband, be oyesi kenimpa, nipa na beka there. On get close to Cina Soul because it's everywhere that Cina Soul is dating or in a relationship with Kidi. Kidi, so we all know that. Ope, mommy paying for. Ope, people are like myself for where any mommy type. Ne grandmother ne type ewa ne grandmother ni age ne ma mini age like 40 50 60 ewa I don't know what was ka Cina Soul ya talent ne do wo ya mesi yan kan kwe our talent no but sika no asa des sika no wo ho no onanya asem people nya sika from corner one corner but then asama other Cina Soul se men kan chan won onion